Hey, what's going on? Dylan Tooby of the Soccer Essentials. What if I told you that you may be neglecting certain areas of your development that could be holding you back from reaching your full potential as a soccer player? In this video, I'm going to share with you those 4 areas and how you can use them to play better football. First, I'm going to recommend that you go back and watch one of my previous videos titled How to Play Soccer Better. In that video, I got into the idea of if you want to play better on the field, you have to first make yourself better. So we're going to get a little deeper into that topic in this video. Obviously, experience is crucial, absolutely essential to your player development. The more you can play, the more games, the more training sessions you can get under your belt, the better you're going to be. But the foundation of your improvement has to come from self-development. So the time you spend on your own making yourself better is what's really going to make the big difference on the field. Personally, I like to break down player development into 4 areas. First area of player development: technical skill. Now this is your basic ball skills: dribbling, shooting, juggling, passing and receiving, heading, tackling. Anything that involves you on the ball is a technical skill. So every day you should be spending at least a couple minutes focusing on all these different disciplines. Remember, you don't just want to improve one thing. You don't want to say, I suck at shooting, so I'm going to work on shooting. You want to say, I want to become an all-around better player. I want to become a more complete player. So you want to focus on all the areas, not just shooting. Yes, you can spend more time focusing on shooting if you think you need more improvement in that area, but make sure you are addressing and improving all of the basic areas of technical skill. If you need ideas on how to improve these areas, go to my YouTube channel, go to my blog, search whatever you want to improve: shooting, dribbling, passing. You're going to get a whole bunch of content to help you get started. Second area of player development is your physical fitness. So these are your physical attributes and abilities that are going to help you perform on the field. Speed, acceleration, agility, stamina, strength, endurance. Okay, these are all different areas, different disciplines of fitness. So similar to technical skill, you should be addressing all of them, not just a specific 1 or 2. If you need more advice on these areas, go back to my website, go to my blog, go to my YouTube channel, because there is so many videos, so many articles to get you started in these areas. Third area of player development: tactical knowledge or game intelligence. So this is learning how to play the game properly. Positionally, formationally, okay, there's so much to learn, and you can start right now. You just have to want to learn, go out, find that information, and then actually apply it on the field. You can read books, you can watch videos, you can ask questions. Every time your coach is speaking, or a different player, someone that you respect as a player is speaking, listen to what they're saying, ask for more advice, and then again, the most important, apply what you've learned. The fourth area of player development, and honestly this is probably the most important area, not only in football but in life in general. If you want to succeed, you want to do well, you want to create the life that you deserve: mental development. Okay, your mind is so powerful. I hope by watching my videos you're learning this, you're understanding this more and more each time. But the way you think, the way you analyze certain situations, the way you motivate yourself, encourage yourself to do more, is going to help you on the football field. Most players talk poorly to themselves, talk negatively. They tell themselves they can't do things. They look for problems instead of solutions, and they work against themselves with their thoughts. So if you can learn to work with yourself, to promote yourself, to do more with your thought, you're going to be much more successful on the football pitch. Now, before I leave, I want to ask you a very important question. What are you doing every day to improve yourself in these 4 areas that I've just discussed? If you're not doing something in one of the 4 areas, what can you start doing? Make a plan of action and then stick with it. Please like, comment, favorite, share this video on any form of social media because it really helps me. Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, it all helps me get more views and help more people just like you. I know if you found it valuable, there's tons of other people out there that can benefit from this content. Come back tomorrow. I'm going to do a new video. Every single day I'm uploading a new video, so make sure you're coming back and learning more. Most importantly, make sure you're on my email list. If you're not, go to my website and fill in that form. With that, you're also going to get a free training guide to help you become a better player. Come back tomorrow. Like I said, keep training on your own, keep improving. Stay positive, stay motivated, stay focused, and good things are just around the corner. We'll see you next time.